Hey YouTube, this is me, Kitchen Hatsuke, with her little brother Jacob, or also known as her little brother. Yeah. So chaos ensues after this video. It's kind of funny, but he took it, so yeah. It's technically, we found a hummingbird today in our house. It flew in on us, scared us half to death, and then flew away. Yeah, it flew away.
Well, Laura, you brought it outside.
Yeah, I brought it outside.
Well, I took the movie first.
Yeah, he took the movie. So yeah, chaos ensues. And after I got him out from underneath the baseboard and made sure he's all undustified and all that.
Well, it looked like he had trouble flying.
Well, a little bit, and he had little spaces that, like, it was hard to catch him. Yeah. So, chaos ensues. Here comes the video.
Okay, this is a hummingbird, right?
Yeah, hummingbird.
And it flew into our house, and it scared me and I think it has trouble flying because. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
That's the chaos, and the person that's screaming is him. Yes, him. He sounds like a little girl, apparently.
I'm gonna hit you.
Oh, stop it, little brother. So, yeah. Chaos.
I took it with this, my Nintendo 3DS.
Yes. Promo, yes. Kitsune approves. Kitsune approved. Ha ha. So, as you can see, we're both quite awkward in front of the camera. So, we need candid moments. Right, little brother? Ow! So, a random question. Comments? Questions? Below in the comments below. And I'll give credit to him. Jacob, come here. Yes. So I'll give credit to him in the description box below. And tell me what you think. So after this video, apparently he stopped filming at the wrong moment. But hey, we let the little fellow free. So no controversy here. Yep. Good. So, questions, comments, suggestions, what to do with the rest of my summer. So, questions, like, well, examples. Well, let's see. Examples. What would you suggest, Jacob? How insane we are? Or maybe a little crazy? I don't know. Or if you've seen my other videos, you know I mostly do slideshows. So I might upload some more slideshows after I've taken new pictures in my cosplay costumes. And you guys know that I cosplay. So enjoy life. And I hope YouTube viewers, all of you, are all excited to have a wonderful day. Maybe when you're watching this, bring comedy to your life. I don't know.
Just give it up.
So, yeah. Questions, comments down there somewhere with underneath the description box. Questions, comments underneath the description box. Have fun. Haha. Bye-bye.